Hello and welcome to another Kingsley School Bideford NESSY tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the extra resources available to you on NESSY or lesson plans. So to start with, I'm going to access my profile, click on my little avatar, top left NESSY, reading and spelling, and arrive on my student profile. Those extra resources are extremely important in a way that you add an all other layer to the NESSY experience. Of course, NESSY is an online program and you can just follow the call to action and do the session that way. But if you were to click on the call to action and enter the island and the lesson that the pupil is doing, so for example, I am on lesson 12 today, I've got a plethora of resources that I can use to not only be on the computer but also do games that I can download as PDF and then print out. So to access these, you just have to click on the arrow to make the menu appear, and all the way down on all activities at the bottom here you've got the extra resources or lesson plans. And as you can see, there is just for lesson 12, which is N consonants, many of them. So I think I count 23 there. And it can be anything from word search to match the word with the picture, to little spelling test. It can be speed read, which is very fun, and it could be rhyming games. And also what it gives you is actual physical game that you can download, print, and they've got all the instruction for you to run them with the pupils. So it's very simple. The only thing that you have to do is choose the activity that you like and click on it, and then it'll pop up, and then you can print it straight away. So that, for example, is a chain game, very fun, and you just have to print it, cut it, and then you're ready to go with all the instruction to play that game right here. I will make sure to make videos for each game to give you the confidence to be able to run the games with the pupils. What I do for my lesson is that I print actually all of the session, all of the games, and I go through it like like lesson plans. Really, I go through the program on the computer, and alongside I run those activities as well to keep it palatable and make sure that we kind of use all the resources that are at our disposal to help the student. One top tip is, if you were to not be on NESSY on the computer and you decided to go and use the resources, I would definitely go onto the tab of the video and watch the strategy videos prior doing any lessons or any games, just to kind of remind and refresh the memory on what the lesson is about. So I'm just going to recap quickly. Once you are on your student profile and you are on the lesson that's relevant, you click on the little arrow, get the menu up, and then you go all the way down, and there is all the resources, extra resources or lesson plans that are available to you. And that would be for every single lesson. When you imagine that there is 100 lessons in NESSY, this is a world of exercises that you can do with the pupils. Hope this helps. If you have any question on how to run the lessons or how to access them, please feel free to email me. I will put my email on the video description. Have fun.